Hello boys and girls, in this video I will be leaving up sound. I hope you enjoy this video. Yay, new move unlocked. Let's see what it does. That seems like a great move for grinding. Can't wait to see what the next move is. Well, I'm just going to cut the next part off, so I don't bore you viewers. F move, unlocked. Let's see how it is. That's a nice move, and it charges my tempo meter. I wonder if it's infinite though. Again, I'm going to cut off the next part so you don't get bored. Final move unlocked. Let's see what it does. That was an amazing move. If I didn't know it was a legendary, I would believe that move is a mythical move. Thank you guys for watching. In my opinion, sound is a great fruit when leveled up fully.